I work with marketers a lot. I also work with data teams a lot, and there's a strong role for each of those teams. It's not like all of the stuff is given to marketers and then you don't need data. You need both, but it seems like it focuses each on what they really need to do. Is that?
Yeah, absolutely. So actually the data teams have an important role to play here too, because data teams love us because what we help them do is what we call a governed self-service. So self-service can be challenging in environments where everyone's going and creating their own interpretation of the data.
Right.
So governed self-service is the key. So what our architecture allows data teams to do is to control who gets access to what in the data warehouse. So they control the central data warehouse. They expose certain aspects of the data to certain teams as appropriate. They can audit all access. They can model the data in a fashion that is amenable for self-service. So it's really a very symbiotic relationship, and it's a win-win for both teams because the data teams have comfort in knowing that everybody's working off the single source of truth, and everybody's only accessing the data that they're supposed to access. And then but at the same time, they can let the marketing team self-serve and not have to bother them with repeated requests for reports. And then finally, even if there is some elements where you go to your data team to build some more complex stuff, both these groups are working in the same tool. These are not separate tools. So they're all working collaboratively in a single tool.
Yeah. That's what I call a win-win, right?